Welcome to Chicken Dose for March 12th, 2026. Good morning, Memphis Belle. Come on out. Good morning, Sparky. Sparky, do you want a biscuit? Sparky, do you... Mummy home? Mum and Daddy coming home? No, you don't want to talk, okay. And good morning, Kevin. Memphis Belle, your breakfast. Plenty of breakfast for you. Good girl. A busy day ahead. We're going to chop all this up. We are very hopeful that our plant will survive. We had a nice plant there. That's pretty bent up at the moment. Hopefully it'll be okay. Memphis Belle has had enough of her breakfast. Not satisfying enough, eh? Unfortunately, after all the rain, mozzies are out in force, so feeling a bit itchy today. Don't wait just a couple more weeks, girl, and you'll have friends. The three ladies are coming up nicely. Right, Mr. Sparky? Don't even think about peeing on the grapevine. Sparky. Hello, Sparky. Well, that concludes today's edition of Chicken Dairies. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.